Want to know how to see your statistics or stats in Paladins? So if you want to see how have you been playing lately and how your winning stats are, or how you're killing, or how your levels are, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just another minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, on the bottom right side you should be seeing your profile right here, so you can just simply select it, or you can see profile right below activities as well. You can select that as well. So once you have selected your profile, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, you can just simply see overview right here. So by default you should be under accessories, and just simply select player and then select this icon right here, the hamburger icon, and you should be provided with your stats right here. So this is your champion, skin mounts, your wins, XPs, your time played, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.